Welcome to the Decked 101 series. In this tantalizing video, we will walk you through the steps to assemble and install a decked CargoGlide onto your drawer system. For this project, you will need a hammer and a chisel, a 1/2-inch socket, a drill, a 3/32 drill bit, a 5/16 drill bit, a peaceful setting with light music, and a gullible friend with a strong back and weak mind to get the job done. It will be easiest to do this install with the drawer system removed from your vehicle. Start by setting your drawer system without the drawers installed on the ground. You do not need to bolt the two halves together. Separate the CargoGlide tray from the frame. Have your friend hold the frame firmly down as you depress the latch and lift the tray as you slide it toward you. Allow the latch pin to clear the opening in the frame, and then lower the tray again, sliding a little further until the tray wheels clear the opening and you can lift the tray out. Place the frame on top of your drawer system as shown. Locate the dimples which align with the slotted holes in the frame and strap that runs laterally across the center portion of the frame. These dimples mark the locations of the steel tubes underneath the deck of the drawer system. Once you have located the correct dimples, grab your 3/32 drill bit and drill pilot holes through the deck at these locations. Take your time and drill all the way through the top and bottom of the steel tube in the deck. Repeat this in the 3 other locations where you'll be connecting the CargoGlide to the drawer system. Now, remove the frame from the drawer system and flip over the 2 deck halves. Grab a couple of 2x4s or something similar to shim the deck halves up off the ground to prevent ruining your drill bit. Grab your chisel and your hammer and locate where your holes have drilled through the HDPE. Remove the plastic around these holes. Do not worry, this will not affect the integrity of your drawer system. Now, grab your 5/16 drill bit and drill through the pilot holes, being careful to drill vertically. Just remember, chill champ, smoother is faster. Repeat this in the other 3 locations. Grab the special weld bolts included in your hardware kit and rubber-backed washers. Insert the weld bolt through the bottom hole in the deck panel so that it grabs the steel tube with its shoulder. On the top of the deck panel, slide the rubber-backed washer rubber side down over the bolt head, working it all the way to the deck surface. This will keep your bolt from falling out. Repeat this in all 4 holes. Alright, now you're getting the picture. Reinstall your drawer system into your truck bed. Then connect the 2 deck halves with the correct hardware. Wait until the CargoGlide install is complete to finish reassembling your drawer system. Now place a regular washer on each bolt on top of the rubber seal washers. This is an important step, making sure your holes are sealed. Place the CargoGlide frame on the drawer system and carefully guide the slots and the bolts home. Place a washer and nut onto each bolt. Center up the frame, front and back, and tighten. Don't go full gorilla strength torque on these, just get them really good and tight. Once you've tightened everything down, it's time to find your trusty friend. Place the tray on top of the frame and slowly guide the wheels into the opening on the tailgate end of the frame. And there you go. Congratulate yourself with a slap on the back. You did it and are now the proud owner of the ultimate truck bed setup, a deck drawer system and deck CargoGlide.